We're going to go over how to use kinesiotaping or KT tape for your knee. This I use with a lot of people dealing with knee pain, whether it's runners or CrossFitters, or people just looking to get by and walk with less knee pain. So Kinesiotape can be a really good tool that we use at Fuel Health and Wellness in our physical therapy clinic, and I use with a lot of my patients. So I'm going to show you how to do this at home. So I've already pre-cut these strips, so you're going to want to measure the strips out on the knee and pre-cut them. So you've got one short one that's going to go right here at the patellar tendon, so right underneath the kneecap, and you have two longer ones that are going to go on either side. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that short one. I'm going to, and I rounded the edges, I cut and rounded the edges. Now I'm going to just simply tear it down the center, peel it back, keep it on the ends, so that way there's no stretch on the ends. I'm going to go out, come off, 50% stretch. We're going right over that tendon. Okay, and you just then rub the ends on just like so. And then we're going to take one strip here, peel off the end just like this. You're going to put that on top, and you want your knee bent when you're doing this one because we want stretch on the skin, not on the tape. So I'm just simply laying this over around the kneecap. No stretch is needed on this one, just like so. And then we're going to do the other side. Peel the end off just like that. Try to not have the ends of the tape overlap, just because it's going to stick better on the skin than the tape. So same thing, no stretch. We're going over, and the end is on the skin. And just like that, that's how you use Kinesiotape for your knee. There's a lot of different taping methods you can do, but this is a great one that we have a lot of success with in the physical therapy clinic. Let me know if you have any questions. Please put in the comments below, and I hope you found this helpful.